Real quick, guys, if you haven't seen my Kubikiri Bocho, which is the Zabuza sword videos, go on my channel, watch those quick. They'll give you a little bit of a background of the process of how I do all this. Hey YouTube, Editing Jake here. Why don't you go down in the description and click a couple of those links. I'm going to link my Instagram page. I'm going to link the Kubikiri Bocho video. I'm going to link the Heat on Scythe video. And I think I said Instagram page. Probably throw Twitter on there too. And if you like the video, like it, dislike it, subscribe, all that nonsense. Now, back to the video. Into the video. Today I'm going to start. Wait, what am I doing? Right! That's right. Okay. If you haven't checked the other video I uploaded, probably like in the last 24 hours of this one, it was literally a month ago, but go on. Doing the Heat on Scythe. This is going to be the other project. The Heat on Scythe is starting at the beginning of December. The other project will be starting at the midpoint of February, I think. But I already have it modeled, so I can show you kind of how far I am so far. This project is going to be the Hakapakatakaraka? The Hiramekarei. Hiramekarei. I don't know. Choujiro sword from Naruto. Same guy that did the Zabuza cosplay last year is going to be doing the Choujiro cosplay this year. He has the glasses, so he usually doesn't. I think he had contacts in that day. But he will be doing the Choujiro cosplay or Mangetsu. We haven't decided which one yet. It's really up to him. I'm just supplying him the sword, and then they'll be hung up with the Zabuza sword. But that is going to be this project. This is actually the hardest thing I've ever modeled. The hardest one piece thing, not really one piece, but one piece item that I've ever modeled in SolidWorks, just because of the geometry of it. And there's not, for some reason, all of the Naruto stuff, none of it is consistent in like animation, when it's drawn, anything. So I just took like as many pictures as I could find and like made the midpoint of all of them, and that's how I ended up with this shape. Let me just do this quick. Okay. As you can see, the kind of the profile that the other ones have. Here, I'll do this quick because it's like this. This one is really thin, but this one's like this big fat fucking thing that's just in the way of everything. So that's kind of how I did it. I just found all the profiles I liked, and then I just made them all work. This is actually going to be the same amount of pieces printed. They're all just a lot bigger than the Scythe, and nowhere near the amount of pieces printed that I needed for Zabuza's sword. You can see the lines of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then these are going to be reinforced dowels like I did with the handle for the Kubikiri Bocho. They go together, as you can hear. I'll just let's just hide this guy. Which one? Yeah, hide this one. And then it's going to be the metal dowel will sit all the way down to here, and then go into the handle till about here, and then it'll all be handle after that. And then each one of these holes is another like length of dowel that will kind of hold and pin everything in place to keep fitment and alignment, and then it'll just all be epoxied. I'm not going to fuck around with super glue this time because it really did not do well, and it really made it hard to paint the Kubikiri Bocho. I'm going to go right to Gorilla's 2-part epoxy. It worked really well for the handle, so I'm just going to do it with this and with the Heat on Scythe, which, once again, go check the rest of my videos. They're all in there. Before I started doing props, I made like little stuff. You can just like ignore all that because it's garbage. But yeah, so here we have this. Probably going to do a custom wrap for the handle. I just don't have it like shown right now. As you can see, he has like this double cross, which I can do. I know how to wrap that, but I don't know how good it'll look, if you know what I'm like kind of talking about. So there's gonna be a lot of experimenting when I get to that part. But there's this video, which is like the outlay, and then next video will be the beginning of assembly. The video after that will be the end of assembly. Video after that will be body, like the body work, the body filling and painting and primer and all that. Then final assembly, and then I'll probably do another video like I did with the Kubikiri Bocho of after the convention. But expect these to be about a month apart. That's kind of how I spaced out the last one. Be about 6 videos total for each series. and then probably a lot less for the heat-on scythe. Other than paint, that one's pretty simple. But yeah, sorry about talking real fast. I don't really care to do this much. I like the other stuff. That's why the production quality on this isn't really all that good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Any suggestions for anything, watch the rest of my videos. If you see something you'd like to see differently, comment on it. I'll see. The YouTube part of this is just kind of a way to document and share all of it. The reason I do this is because I love building the props, and I like helping friends, and the cosplay community is like really cool. So yeah, I'll improve the. I'm not against improving my YouTube and video making quality, but it's really not the highest thing on my list. But as I do with all my videos, I rant at the end and add another minute and a half that didn't need to be here. So see you guys later. At the end of December, get ready for the first Scythe video, and then end of January will be a standalone video, and then end of February will be the beginning of this and probably final assembly of the Heat-on Scythe, and then it'll just kind of like keep spacing out on the calendar from there. Anyway, have a nice time. Subscribe if you enjoyed any of this. I don't, yeah, whatever. Have a nice day. Math and science.